Woo. Here we are at Falling River Falls. Jack, do not get that close, please. Woo. Ah, heard that one.
Me too.
And there are lots of little cool pools and stuff to play with. And I think normally, or maybe other days, the water is running faster or higher or something. So, you know, this actually looks more like a regular waterfall instead of just that trickle there. But I'm like kneeling down right on the edge.
Oh.
Say cheese, Cece.
See.
And there are the boys doing their thing down there. All right. Bye, everyone.